Hi everyone! In today's video, we are going to know how to screenshot one monitor when we have two or more monitors. It's very easy and quick, so stick with me to know how to do that. So now I have two monitors and I want to take a screenshot, but you can see since I'm all recording one screen, but I do have dual monitors. So let's jump in and see how can we take a screenshot. First of all, go to bottom in left corner and then search for a snipping tool. Once you type it, Windows will show you the search result. Once you see a snipping tool, go ahead and click on it. Now when Snipping Tools opens up, all you have to do is click on New, and then you will see that both of your monitors got this kind of white overlay on it. Now if you want to take a screenshot from one of your monitors, just go ahead and just drag the mouse from where you want. And as you can see, our screenshot is here. And now, if you want to save it, just press Ctrl S and it will open the window that you can save your screenshot to where you want. Now let's say you have one window that you want to take a screenshot. Now all you have to do is to press Alt and print screen buttons from the keyboard at the same time. Then once you do that, it basically copies a screenshot of a window that is open now. Once you have done it, go to bottom left and type paint. Now click on paint. Once paint opens up, press Ctrl V and paste the screenshot. So as you can see, you just have that one window that you screenshotted. And then if you want to save it, just press Ctrl S and save it to where you want. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.